In this video, we'll look at the product labels. Each product in the show is going to have a label on it that looks just like this. And we'll talk about the different parts of the label and what they all mean. So the first part is the channel. We talked about each of the modules having its own channel number, so that's what this is indicating. This is the channel that the module is set to. In this case, this product will go into channel 7, or the module that's labeled with channel 7. The queue number is the queue in which the igniter will be plugged into. In this case, it's channel 7 Q16. So here you have an 18M module. This one, of course, is the standard wire terminals. So it'll have the bare, each end of the wire will be bare copper that you will plug into Q16. Okay, the position is the field position. In this case, it'll be in position D2.4, and then it'll be in position 10 of that position. So D2.4.10. We'll look at what that means here in just a second. So the firing angle is the angle that the product is going to be firing at. Most of all the product will be at a 0-degree angle. However, we have a lot of single-shot comets, mines, and artillery shells that may have a firing angle greater than 0. So just so you know, 0 means straight up. This angle is 30 degrees left. Don't be fooled by what looks like the foot sign, because the system that I use to script this does not allow you to use a degree sign. So the standard practice is just to use I can't even remember what it's called now. Apostrophe, I think, is what it's called. Geez, I'm not an English major. I'm an engineer. Anyway, so yeah, this one would be 30 degrees to the left. So what that means is if you're looking at it from the audience, that firework is going to be angled down 30 degrees from center, pointing to the left as you're looking at it from the audience. And we can talk about that more on the day of too, if that confuses you. Okay, the comments. If there's a specific comment for the product that you're wiring up, this one has a comment, one of 3 in series. So we'll talk about series wiring in just a second. This basically means that there are going to be 3 products that are wired together in the same queue. So this queue will actually have three fireworks go off at the same time. And so we'll talk about how to wire for that, because it is we'll talk about the difference between what's called series wiring, which is what I'm asking for here, and parallel wiring, which is a different way to wire multiple MJGs in one queue. And then, of course, the effect name. This one, of course, is a Dominator Nishiki Kimuro artillery shell that's 5 inches in length. Okay, in the next video, we'll look at we'll go into a little more depth of the position, kind of show you how the discharge site will be set up and how to identify these positions that you're seeing on the product labels. That'll be done in the next video.